Meaning of fluctuate.
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 Fluctuate. The term fluctuate means to vary or change continuously, often in an unpredictable manner. It refers to a situation where there is no stability or consistency, and the values or levels can rise or fall at any given moment. This can be seen in various scenarios such as stock markets, weather patterns, and even moods of individuals. Fluctuations can be caused by various factors such as external events, internal conditions, or simply random chance. The degree of fluctuation can either be minor or significant and can have an impact on the outcome of a situation.